Multiple Fortune 500 companies have legally paid zero in federal income taxes in recent years, despite reporting billions in profits.
How?
Loopholes, tax credits, offshore shell companies, depreciation tricks, armies of accountants whose entire job is finding the space between what the law says and what the law means, and living permanently in that space.
That's not paying taxes. That's winning an argument about taxes.
Accurate. And when Amazon pays zero, that money still has to come from somewhere. Roads, schools, military budgets, the tax burden shifts onto smaller businesses without the lawyers, onto workers through payroll taxes, onto you, Peter.
So Amazon makes $11 billion, pays nothing, and I pick up the tab.
You and every working person without a team of tax attorneys, yes.
Brian, I once got audited because I claimed a sandwich as a business expense, and the IRS spent 3 months investigating me. And Amazon pays zero, and nobody investigates anything?
The IRS actually audits low-income households at higher rates than corporations, because individual returns are cheaper to audit than corporate ones.
So they come after me about a sandwich, and let Amazon keep $11 billion.
The sandwich was arguably not a legitimate...
It was a working lunch, Brian!
The broader point stands. The IRS budget has been cut so significantly, the agency genuinely lacks resources to pursue large corporate cases. Every dollar cut from enforcement costs roughly $7 in uncollected revenue, and the people who benefit most from weak enforcement lobby hardest to cut the IRS budget.
They defunded the thing that collects money from them.
And called it fiscal responsibility.
That is the most gangster thing I have ever heard in my life.
Apple routed profits through Ireland for years, paying effective tax rates of less than 1% on European profits. 1%, Peter. You paid more percentage on that sandwich than Apple paid on billions.
And this whole time, we're told there's no money. No money for schools, no money for health care, no money to fix the roads.
Amazon alone, had it paid the standard corporate rate in 2018, would have contributed roughly $2 billion to public services. From one company, in 1 year.
$2 billion in roads and schools just didn't happen because of loopholes and a tax code written by people who get donations from the companies it regulates.
That is an accurate description of how the tax code gets written, yes.
And the small business on the corner, my buddy Eddie's sandwich place.
They pay full rate, no offshore subsidiaries, no army of accountants. They pay what the law says they owe.
The little guy pays full price. The big guy pays nothing. And they're competing in the same economy.
And the big guy uses the money saved on taxes to lower prices and drive the little guy out of business.
Brian, that's not a loophole. That's a trap door. And the little guy keeps falling through it, and the big guy installed it.
Nobody has ever described tax policy quite like that, but I cannot find a factual error in it.
I want that sandwich back, Brian.
The business expense sandwich?
Every penny, with interest.